In this video, I will show you how you can set any song as the ringtone of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now there are two methods to set a song as your ringtone on your Samsung phone. For the first method, just open the app drawer, then open the My Files app. Now from here, just open the folder where you have downloaded your song. Now after you find the song which you want to set as your ringtone, then just tap and hold on the song and select copy at the bottom of the screen. After you do that, then just tap on internal storage. Now from these folders, just scroll down and look for a folder which is named ringtones. After you find the folder, then just tap on it and select copy here. After you've done that, now if you go to your home screen and if you go to settings, now just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, just tap on ringtone. Now if you scroll to the top of the screen, you will find a section which is called custom. Now under custom, you will find the song which you want to set as your ringtone. Now just select the song. And after you do that, you will set the selected song as your ringtone. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. And in the Google Play Store, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then select open. And just tap on accept and continue. Select not now. Then tap on the X icon. Now at the bottom of the screen, just select ringtones. And at the top of the screen, just make sure that you have selected ringtones. Now you can either scroll down and you can select any ringtone from the available over here. But if you have a specific song in mind, just tap on the search bar and search the name of the song. Now after you find the song which you want to set as your ringtone, then tap on download and select set ringtone. Now just enable this toggle. Now after that, just go back. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the ringtone on our smartphone. Now for the next step, just go to your home screen and go back to settings. And under settings, just tap on ringtone. Now under the custom option, you will find the new ringtone which we have installed. Now just make sure that you have selected the song which we have installed. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.